Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors. Just want to do a real quick video on the tools that you're going to need for a minor asphalt shingle roof repair, okay? First thing you're going to need, turn this camera around, you're going to need a ladder. And it's got to be able to reach the edge of the roof plus 3 more rungs. 1, 2, 3. That third one is just above the gutter there. You're going to want a tarp to catch all the debris, piece of sidewalk chalk, which my piece is tiny, but just a piece of sidewalk chalk so that you can mark all of the shingles that you want to remove, like I've done there. Just a normal pry bar to actually get those shingles lifted and ready to be removed. A pair of gloves, a new pair of gardening gloves will work. It's just to keep the asphalt fibers from getting into your skin. It's very irritating. And that's all you really need to remove the shingles, okay? Now to install the shingles, of course you're going to need a hammer. Now this is a roofing hammer. It's got some nice weight to it, 28 ounce. It's got a bit of a pry end on it. You can also this cutting blade comes with it. You can loosen the screw, extend it out, tighten the screw to hold it in place, and then use that as a cutting mechanism. However, it's much easier. This is much more powerful to just go ahead and use an X-Acto knife. However, you need a specific hooked blade. See how that's hooked on there? The sharp part is on the inside of the hook itself, and you can just get a lot more power on it when you're pulling it down this way as opposed to a typical straight edge. Also, much more than that screw is going to be able to tighten down on that blade for you. Okay, then you're going to need your nails. These are 1.25 inch roofing nails. We call them coil nails. As you can see, they come in a coil. Those are for use in actual nail guns, and since that's mostly what we use, I just keep a couple of coils on hand for even when I'm doing repairs. But you can just get regular 1.25 inch roofing nails that don't come in a coil from, Home Depot, Lowe's, or whatever. But if you do use the coil nails, you're gonna need a pair of snips, because these nails are held together just by a piece of wire like that. And the way that you cut them is from the pointed end, the business end of the nail. Clip them that way, just like that. Clip off however many you need. Okay, and then you're also going to need a caulk gun, and roofing cement is the best, but that usually is pretty black, tarry. Not great for visibility, but it'll hold the shingle on pretty well. So that is for use underneath the shingles to, reinforce the seals that you had to break to remove the shingles. Because you are going to have to break some native seals. And then for on top of the shingles, if you have to do any repairs, like around your vents or anything like that, which I don't know if you could. This just fell off the roof in the video, so you got to be careful with that too. But you're going to want to use just clear silicone. Okay, so this is 100% waterproof silicone, any kind of exterior uses, and those are the tools that you're going to need to get any kind of minor asphalt shingled roof repair done. All right, everybody, have a good one.